See, I met her at this party in Atlanta.
Well, I met her at this party in Chicago.
She came right up to me, giving me conversation. I said, do you got a man? She said, no, with no hesitation.
Well, it must be a music thing, 'cause she said the same to me. And a party all in my face while I'm laughing and buying a drink.
She whispered in my ear, said, can you take me home?
Me too. Man, she was in the shot singing that same song.
Is that true?
And I thought it was true confessions. Then she said,
I love you. Man, I thought her body was calling when she said,
I want you.
look, I even got some pictures on my phone.
Look at there she is with some boy shorts on. Messing with the same girl.
Same girl.
Same girl. She's the apple of my eye,
Yeah.
and my potential wife. Yeah.
Same girl. Man, I just can't believe that we've been messing around with the same damn girl. Oh yeah. Thought she was someone I could trust.
But she's been